Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the brand new Galaxy S23 and we're comparing its video recording quality against the Google Pixel 7. Now both of these phones have excellent video recording, especially in these conditions. It's bright daylight, it's nice outside, and of course you have different colors. You have the greenery here and the blue skies, so there are some differences in the way these phones render the colors. But let's move a bit faster to get a sense of the video stabilization. Nothing crazy like running, but probably won't be using them like that anyway. Alright, and let's stop right here and just move around here to this slightly darker space. And follow me a bit closer here. Let's really enter here. And now let's switch to the ultra-wide cameras. You can use the ultra-wide cameras as, of course, 4K resolution, but the quality again slightly different on the Pixel 7 and the Galaxy S23. These ultra-wide cameras really useful for tight spaces like here. Alright, now I'll step away, switching back to the main camera, and now we'll also test the zoom quality. So going to 3x zoom, the Galaxy has that zoom lens, the telephoto lens at 3x, and the Pixel does not have it. Alright, and next up let's go all the way to the maximum zoom quality, which is zoom level, which is 10 times on the Galaxy and 7 times on the Google Pixel 7. And of course the Galaxy should look better, but you let me know if you can actually see that, if you can actually see the higher detail from the Galaxy. And also the stabilization. Alright, switching back to the main cameras, and this will do it for this video comparison. Let me know if you see any differences and which one do you prefer. Thanks for watching.